What's up, it's Terry from onelusionhub. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open and install Procreate brushes on your iPad after downloading a zip file. It only takes a minute, so let's jump right in. First, after downloading the brushes bundle, you'll see a zip file in your Files app. Go ahead and tap the zip file once to uncompress it. If that doesn't work, just press and hold on the zip file, then select uncompress. Once it's finished, open the newly created folder. In the folder, there are O1 brushes and O2 PNG with all the PNG files. Tap on O1 brushes. You'll see all of the brush files included in the pack you've purchased. This can only be opened in Procreate. Before importing the brushes, make sure Procreate is already open. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner and create any new canvas. Now go back to the Files app and return to the O1 brushes folder. Simply tap on the brush file. You'll see an importing message appear. Now wait a few seconds for the import to finish. Once it's done, check your brush library. The imported brush set should appear at the very top of the brush library. If not, search in the brush library. It should be somewhere in there. If you don't see it, don't worry. Try method 2. Go back to the brush file or brush set in the Files app. Press and hold on it, then select Share. In the Share menu, select Procreate. You'll now see the importing message. Wait for the import to complete. After that, open the brush library and your brush set should now be there and ready to use. I have the last method here for you if the first two didn't work. Open Procreate, then tap on Brush Library. Tap the plus icon at the right top. Choose Import from Files. Then select the brush set in the files which you've uncompressed, and wait for it to import. You should find the brushes somewhere in the library. It might not appear at the very top with this method. If it does not appear in the current brush library, try to find from other brush library by pinching it to view all full of it. And that's it. Now you can start drawing with your new brushes right away. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.